In Setswana, there are no separate pronouns for him or her, meaning the male and the female use the same pronoun when you talk about the third person. Now, when you want to use this pronoun, you are going to put the pronoun mo in front of the verb. Let us look at these illustrations over here. Ke a mo rata. I love him or her. Ke a mo gopola. I remember him. Ke a mo utlwa. I hear him or her. Ke a mo itse. I know him or her. Ke a mo duela. I pay him or her. Ke a mo tlhoka. I need him or her. Ke a mo gakolola. I advise him or her. Ke a mo kolobetsa. I baptize him or her. Ke a mo belaela. I suspect him or her.